Hi guys, it's Matthew here, the Kiwi Culchie, in conjunction with the Skibbereen Food Company. And guys, I've had a lot of people talking about vegetarian dishes. So today guys, we're going to do tempura vegetables. We'll see you at the end of the video. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is make the tempura batter, and what we're going to use is we're going to get fill a cup of corn flour up. Oh, I've got a mug because I've got quite a bit to do. So 1 cup of corn flour into the bowl, and then we have 2 cups of just ordinary plain flour. Okay guys, so we've measured out our flour. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add our cold water, our mineral water. I'm using tonic, and we're going to put ice into this as well. And ice is very important because we're trying to make that batter very, very cold. So when it hits the deep fat fryer, it kind of explodes and make a really crispy batter. Okay, so here we go, just a little bit of water. You can do this yourself rather than measuring it out. You just need a nice thick consistency, so it sticks to the vegetables. Okay, so I've just got that. We're going to put the other tonic water in as well. I think we'll need that. And you'll see it'll all come together. We do want it thick, so please, you want to play with it. You don't just want to throw in a hell of a lot of water because you'll just have to add more flour. And we need a little bit, and this is where you start getting the consistency right. Here we go, a little bit more. And remember, when we add the ice to a tempura batter, we want to put it in the fridge for a little bit, about 10 minutes. So you could make this in advance. Okay, and remember, allow for the runniness as well of that. And there's our tempura batter, and it's just going to get colder with the ice in it. Okay. Okay guys, the next thing we have to do, we need to flour all our vegetables, okay, because we need the tempura batter to stick. So look, I'm just getting the avocado, and we're just going to quickly flour everything so it all sticks. Okay. Just very quickly, and dust it off. Now, a story about the avocado. How I found this one out is that in the kitchens many years ago, we used to tempura everything to find out if it tastes good or whatever. And this is how I found tempura avocado was just lovely. So just also with the carrot, okay, you use a super slicer, a mandolin, just to do thin strips, because you need it to be cooked through in the deep fry. And there's our red pepper as well. Okay, and we just dust it all and dust off any of the excess flour. Okay guys, so we've dusted all our vegetables. Now it's time to put the vegetables into the tempura batter. Okay, and you don't have to be shy. I just kind of plonk them in all, but the excess flour sometimes I just shake off. Okay, we're just going to do a mixture to begin with, okay, and then what we do is we get our tongs, or our hand if you want, and we just make sure it's all kind of mixed around. Remember, you can thicken the batter, okay, and you do the excess. Sometimes the ice melts to keep it cold, but then you might need to add a little bit more flour to thicken it. And you do want a thick batter, you don't want it runny, okay? So there we go. So there's our first one, and then what we do is we just plonk that into our fryer. Now this fryer here is quite a small one. Okay, I brought it for these cooking demos, and what sometimes it lowers the heat because of the amount of stuff I put into it. So you just have to be careful in so many ways that you don't overload the fryer, because what you want that to hit the fryer and get a really lovely crispy batter on it. So I've only put 4 things in there at the moment, and you want to separate it. But this is really tasty. Okay guys, what I do is I do these in batches. So this is the first batch, and you'll just see it go to a light golden brown. Okay, it's like you'll know that it's been in there. So they've been deep frying for about 2-3 minutes. This is a small fryer, so it's not a commercial one, so it might take a little longer. Okay guys, so this is what we're looking for. See the lovely golden brown kind of batter, and then when we're ready, all we do is we get a tray with paper towels to soak up the excess oil, and we're left with these beautiful tempura. Obviously your oil also is important, so get a nice clean soy oil or clean oil as well. Okay guys, so here we are, here's the finished product, and we've got all our mixture of veg, like we said, with the red pepper, the mushroom, the asparagus, we've got a sweet potato, and we've got the avocado. I mean, you can use courgette and a lot of other veg as well, and all we're going to do is put this on a plate, and out it goes. What I've done here is for the sauces, we've just got sweet chili, most of it's in a drop of soy sauce. So as you get the salty, sugary, bitter flavour that goes really well with tempura veg. So all you do is stack these up now. Make sure you've got a good mixture. Okay, there's the asparagus. Oops. We'll get another mushroom there. I love tempura mushrooms, they are the greatest. Okay, look, another big bit of red pepper. Look, you get a bit of height with the asparagus. There's a sweet potato, and we've got a little spring onion there. Look, 2 of them. And I'm going to finish off, which I always love, is a lovely bit of avocado. It doesn't need a garnish, and what you're finished with is this lovely tempura, and it's just great for dinner parties and everything as well. So look, that's the finished dish. So there you go guys, this is the tempura vegetables. I absolutely love this. I haven't cooked this for years actually, and even my family are going to try this. But you know, in Asian restaurants when I was in Australia and New Zealand where I used to work, I used to do this all the time, and it's really different way of serving your vegetarian dish. And look, I hope you enjoy it. And remember to subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel, and I wish you all the best, and we'll see you soon. Thanks guys.